Playa del Carmen is a little less known than Cancun, but better known than Tulum. It also happens to be halfway between the two, 45 minutes south of Cancun and 45 minutes north of Tulum. What's the appeal of Playa del Carmen? Mainly Fifth Avenue, a pedestrian strip a little over 1 mile long with great restaurants and plenty of shopping. Right on the beach you have several luxurious boutique and chic hotels, restaurants and bars. It's an upscale, modern and trendy town where everyone knows everyone else. Daytime living is fun, plenty of things to do. Gym, yoga, meditation, every water sport, or just relaxing in one of the many cozy hotels on the beach. And the nightlife, well, Playa del Carmen does it well. Plenty of bars, lounges, nightclubs, all open late and all lots of fun. For many people, Playa del Carmen is the way to go. The truth is that it's an amazing Caribbean town, and it has all the services you might need. Hospitals, schools, shopping centers, work, you name it, it's here. People from all over the world have made this little town colorful and interesting. Americans, Canadians, Russians, Italians, French, just to name a few, there's at least one of them living here. This cosmopolitan mix makes living here very exciting. So Playa del Carmen suddenly becomes not just a good place to live, but also a fantastic place to invest. And the cost of living is probably lower than in most, if not all, of the countries I just listed. Can you own your own place here? Absolutely. A house or condo on the beach, or further back and a few dollars less, you name it. We can help you find it. Anything we don't have as part of our listing in Playa del Carmen, because you can't find it on our website, send us an email or call our US toll-free number. We have strong ties with most brokers in Playa del Carmen, and through them we can find you just what you're looking for. By going with us, you have the legal backing that everyone wants, because saving a few pennies by trying to close on your own may turn expensive later on. Our in-house lawyer is available to you anytime to answer any questions you have. Come into our office next time you're in Tulum. Allow us the opportunity to help you become part of this incredible setting.